Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Saiyin 5.0 home theater system, and why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because 25 watts x4 bookshelf speakers and 50 watt center speaker. The surround sound system features 4 high-power and full-range speakers, including one 3-inch passive center speakers and 2 pair of 3-inch passive bookshelf speakers, allowing you to experience stunning surround sound from all angles. Enhanced dialogue clarity. Saiyin 5.0 home theater system comes with a professional center channel speaker that improves the clarity and accuracy of dialogue. Every line of dialogue in movies or TV shows will be crystal clear, ensuring that no important lines are missed. Flexible installation and placement. Compact and lightweight home theater speakers can be flexibly mounted on shelves, stands or walls to meet different installation requirements. In addition, the position and number of speakers can be easily customized according to the size and layout of your room, ensuring optimal sound positioning for an unparalleled audio experience. Classic retro wooden enclosure. Each home audio speaker enclosure is handcrafted with unique wood textures and colors to reduce sound resonance while still blending well with any space and decor. The exquisite details and vintage charm of each enclosure bring a touch of nostalgia to your home entertainment area. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.